Hey everyone, welcome back to UFO Shuffler's Tips and Tricks Tuesday. If you don't already know, my name is gribbz. I'm going to mention a short little quote before we begin here, and it goes like this. What gets measured gets improved. Okay, so what am I talking about? Today we're going to be talking about recording and measuring your shuffle journey within the first year. That is the most important, in my opinion. This video will be geared towards newbie or new shufflers getting into this, and also just for anybody, period, that has a passion or hobby that loves doing what they do, to show you and to tell you that, you know, to record. I encourage everyone to record their progress, track their progress, because it can be monumental down the road. Okay, it really can. So year one is the hardest, in my opinion, because, you know, you look awkward. You're very, like stiff oftentimes. You have a lot of wrinkles that need to be ironed out with dance moves and, you know, tricks and stuff like that, posture. And over time, you know, people want to see that fast, immediate progress. Well, that's not going to happen. Okay, it's incremental growth over, you know, days, weeks, months, years. So this is why I'm saying this, because I don't want anybody to get into this. If you're watching this, keep on going, because it takes time. Okay, I look at myself and I look back on my journey every day after or before work. I would practice and flow and get down, you know. And I would watch that footage later when I come home or whenever I get a chance, and then, you know, I would see myself incrementally get better, and then eventually I can go to the video right now. Today, I can pick it out and I can show you exactly where the breakthrough happened, okay? And that's so important. And why that's so important is because if you keep doing this, there's some benefits. It's a good boost. It's good for motivation, good drive and willpower. It will reinforce and reignite, rekindle the fact that if you keep doing this, you will keep getting better at it and better at it, and that'll spiderweb into other facets of your life and other things that you like to do, okay? And you're just going to be blown away. So I encourage everybody that's watching this right now, if you're new, okay, if you've been doing this for a while, obviously you already know that, to record your progress from day one and look back on day 365, a year exactly from that first video. Look back on that and tell me, I want to know what you think, because it's going to be life-changing. It was for me, and just to see myself, like what I looked like versus then versus now was just incredible, you know. And that's the great thing about shuffling or dance overall, you know, as a whole. Just getting into it, seeing yourself level up, and just make like such dramatic changes, you know, over a short period of time too. You know, I mean, the more effort and consistency and time that you put into it, you're going to see faster results. But you know, that's another thing. But right now we're talking about recording your progress. Okay, so I think you get the gist of how important it is to track your progress. Second thing I want to mention is right behind me, a mirror. If you don't have a mirror, specifically for shuffling, dance, period, as a whole, you need to have a mirror. Okay. If you have, in your area, wherever you live, you have Craigslist, OfferUp, you know, Let Go, you have any one of those things, you know, Facebook Marketplace, I think Instagram even has a marketplace now. You know, get yourself a mirror. It doesn't have to be a big one like this. I got lucky and found that for like 60 to 80 bucks on, what was it, I think, Let Go or OfferUp. And it's important to see yourself real, live, in time, versus recording yourself on a camera and then having to stop the camera, go look at the footage, see how you did, come back, iron out that little wrinkle, start over. Nice thing about having a mirror is you can correct all that on the spot. Okay, so that's tip number 2. Get yourself a mirror. You can even record yourself dancing side profile of the mirror, which is, you know, it's good to get different angles sometimes to see what you look like from the side, from the back view, the front view. Okay, so yeah. But thank you guys for watching today's Tips and Tricks Tuesday. Let me know what you think. Let us know what you think of this video below, and let us know what other topics or things you want us to talk about in future videos. And yeah, guys, have a great rest of your week, and we'll see you next time. Peace.